In part 3, I'm sewing darts onto both the white and the maroon shirts, and I'm also sewing the panels together front and back. So here you're seeing me mark and pin the darts on the back panels of both the white and the maroon shirts that I am making at the same time. Once pinned, I carefully sew the darts so I don't end up with any puckering at the ends. And then once I've sewed them down and tied their ends, I go to the ironing board and I iron them down. These shirts have a zipper in the back, so it does have me sew a little bit of the two halves of the back together at the base before I pin all the pieces together and sew them together at the sides and at the shoulder tops. The pinning process I still haven't really mastered. I'm still struggling with pinning the parts together before I sew them and how to pull the pins out as I go without getting them caught in the machine or whatever. But, after some trial and error, I got them all together, sewed the seams open like the directions say, then stitched the collar of the shirts before moving on to the next step. Like, follow, and subscribe to see more.